Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Mobizen app. To know how to find a solution about Mobizen app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window of Mobizen app. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. You can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watch.